Hey, congratulations, you've just graduated. Wait, can we do that again, but make it more inspirational? That's better. Congratulations, you've just graduated. Okay, maybe the graduation could have been better, but at least now begins a long, prosperous career in healthcare. Am I right? Okay, first days don't always go to plan, but maybe we can help with that. We are the British Islamic Medical Association, and we can help you ace your FY1, DFT, and pharmacy pre-reg year. Our expert team of professionals will give you top tips on how to master your first year in the job, advice on how to make sure you're safe and effective, with discussions on self-care and well-being to ensure you ace your training year. And the best part is, it costs absolutely nothing. Join us for BIMA's ACE FY1, DFT, and pharmacy pre-reg programs. We look forward to working with you.